We'll guide you through how to create a Steam account on a mobile. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this guide on an iPhone and Android, it doesn't matter. So, having a Steam account is really convenient. Steam is a game marketplace as well as a launcher. So with a Steam account, you're then able to go and buy games and go and use it. So we're going to guide you through how you can make one on a phone for whatever reason. So to go and get started, you need to go and open up a web browser of your choice. So in this case, I'm going to go and open up Safari, but you could use Chrome, it doesn't matter. Now what we need to do is go and head to the Steam site. So let's go and type in Steam. Make sure you then come to the official site, which is store.steampowered.com. So you can come here. Now, if you go and find the app goes and opens up, don't worry. We can just go and tap on and hold on it, and you can go and press open, and it should then go and open up like so. Then what you can do is you need to come to the top left, and you can press the lines in the top left. And you want to go and press sign in. That'll then bring you to the sign in page. What you then need to do is you want to go and scroll down and it will go and say new to Steam. And you can go and press create an account. Now we can start the process. So to get started, enter in your email address. So I'll go and type mine in now. When you go and do this, you need to go and type it in again to confirm it. Choose your country of residence and complete the CAPTCHA to verify you're a human. Make sure you read through the Steam subscriber agreement. I already have. And this privacy policy as well. And you need to be 13 years of age or older. Select that there if you agree and it's true and press continue. Now go and check your email for a link. It should look like this. What you can do is go and press verify my email address. And you can then go and click on the link to go and verify it. Now you can go and return to the window. What we can then do is go and continue. So you can go and enter in a Steam account name. Now it's important to note that the name has to be unique. You can't go and have the same name as anybody else. For example, if I go and choose GuideRealm, that's going to go and be taken. So it needs to be unique. When it's available, we can continue. So next you can go and choose a password and confirm it. You can then go and press done like so. And we're now creating our Steam account, as you can see. That's it. You've now gone and created it. And now you can go and use it and you can go and sign in and go and purchase games on it as well. Press the 3 lines in the top left and there it is.